Your nervous system is the foundation of everything: your energy, your digestion, your pain levels, your mood, your sleep. And one of the most powerful regulators of that entire system is your vagus nerve, 80% of it. So today I'm going to share with you 3 simple vagus nerve resets that you can do anytime to boost your energy, reduce pain, improve digestion, and ultimately build more resilience in your body. Hi, my name is Dr. Arianne Missimer. I'm a functional medicine practitioner, doctor of physical therapy, and registered dietitian. I'm also the owner of the Movement Paradigm Integrative Health Center. So if you've been feeling stuck or you feel like you're in a fight or flight, having chronic pain, inflammation, or low energy, it's not your imagination, it's your physiology. And when you learn to regulate it, everything changes. Most of you know about the vagus nerve at this point, but let's consider the vagus nerve our information superhighway between our brain and our body. It influences heart rate variability, it influences digestion, inflammation, pain signaling, immune function, and emotional regulation. And here's the key. Your vagus nerve responds to movement, to posture, to breath, and sensory input. And it doesn't respond well to passive approaches. It wants active, intentional stimulation, actual mechanical and sensory signals to help you regulate your nervous system and to help your body feel safe again. So let's get into the 3 simple resets that you can stimulate the vagus nerve through different pathways. Each one takes less than a minute, so they're super easy and convenient. You can do anywhere, anytime, and they can create an immediate shift. The first is the neck diaphragm connection reset. So for this one, we can feel an instant sense of calm and even better breathing mechanics. A huge portion of vagus nerve regulation happens through your airway and diaphragm. So if your neck is tight, if your breathing is shallow, you're signaling stress to the brain all day long. This reset will help to unwind that a bit. So you're going to place your hand at the back of the base of your skull here. And you're going to think of gently lengthening the back of your neck. So it's almost like you're kind of tractioning the tissue up towards the ceiling. Think of a soft chin tuck here. So you're going to inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. You're going to exhale for 6 seconds. As you exhale, I'd love for you to add a downward gaze. So you're going to take your breath in as you're looking forward for 4, and then you're going to exhale for 6 and gazing gently down. So this is going to connect the upper airway, the cranial nerves, and the diaphragm in a way that activates the vagus nerve and instantly shifts you out of a sympathetic state. Many people feel less neck tension and clearer breathing right away. So I would repeat this for up to a minute with that breathing pattern. Number 2 is going to be a vagal, glide, and lymphatic sweep. This is going to be for pain relief, for headaches, reduced inflammation. So this is a blend of vagus nerve stimulation and lymphatic drainage. And it's one of the fastest ways to calm pain and pressure in the neck, the face, and the shoulders, especially if you're sitting a lot at work, you're chewing incorrectly, you have poor orofacial control and muscles, you clench, you have airway issues. So what you're going to do here is you're going to lightly sweep down the sides of your neck towards the collarbone. So just here, you can go up and down, that's totally fine. So you're only using skin stretch, no digging. So we'll do about 3 to 4 sweeps. Then you're going to gently rotate your head left and right like you're gliding the nerve. Keep your breath slow and nasal. And this is going to activate the cervical branches while opening the lymphatic system. So we have a ton of lymph here. We also have the vagus nerve that's coming down. So this can help to decrease inflammation, reduce that congested feeling that so many people feel in their upper neck. So the next is the gut-brain pump. So this can be helpful for digestion, for anxiety relief, and even energy. So because the vagus nerve heavily innervates the gut, mobilizing this area is one of the most powerful ways to reset your entire nervous system. It's actually one of my favorite ways. This is incredibly helpful for bloating, constipation, anxiety, and even that wired but tired feeling. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is place your hands on your lower rib cage. As you exhale, you want to gently traction the tissues down and inward, like you're kind of creating this corset. You're going to hold that, maintain that traction as you inhale through the nose. And release. Try that again. So you're going to keep that traction Inhale and release. This is going to create a gentle mechanical pull through the fascial and the visceral layers so it can stimulate the enteric vagus nerve. It can help to regulate digestion, calm your brain, and often even have a noticeable drop in anxiety or abdominal tension. So with all of these, again, think about a minute or so that you're repeating the technique. So when you consistently train or tone your vagus nerve, your body becomes more adaptable. You can improve your capacity, your stress resilience. You can recover faster, handle stress better, heal deeply from the inside out. So if these exercises felt helpful for you, definitely comment below, give it a like, give it a share, and of course, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips like this on whole body wellness. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.